Hi, I'm Greg Arnette. I fly for Meriwether County Sheriff's Department, and we fly an Agusta 109. So the kind of missions we do is search and rescue. We do chase the bad guys with the Sheriff's Department. We cover 500 miles of area for Meriwether County. We also have used this for training with the Guard Unit and the Department of Defense out of Atlanta. Sometimes we're sent to the training grounds, training all the troops on how to load and unload out of the helicopter and how to be safe on their environment. These are a lot of new guys that aren't used to being around helicopters, so we get to do the training with them. You have to have a good maintenance company you can rely on, and what I like about PAS, it's more or less family operated, and they treat you like family, not just a customer and on to the next guy. We just flew from Georgia. Mark and them made sure everything was right, PAS did, before we made the trip all the way here to Dallas. So it was quite a flight, 35 gust winds sideways, but this thing flew no problem cutting through the wind. No maintenance issues when we got here, so it was awesome. This is the Agusta 109 that PAS takes care of for Meriwether County Sheriff's Department. This is some of the new systems that PAS is taking care of. That's all our new instruments. And then this is part of our rescue stuff where it's all stripped out and ready to go find whoever's lost or rescue anybody that's lost or chasing bad guys. So we'll come back here. Engines they take care of, the tail. What's nice is we have that RMCI system in, which was put in by PAS and RMCI as a sensor on all the parts of the helicopter. So we had an issue with the tail system. RMCI notified us, so we took it up to PAS. They went through it and actually found a safety wire here that was broken. It actually had spun the nut. So PAS reconfigured a new nut and new safety wire. Just did a great job, and we didn't lose the helicopter or myself. They fixed those issues, and now we love flying this, and they've taken care of it 100%. So that's one thing about PAS is they jumped on it and repaired it right away.